Ever wonder why certain thumbnails go viral? It's because they follow a winning trend. Today, we're using Thumbnail Creator's discovery engine to find and clone styles that are actually working right now. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can actually see how you can make winning thumbnails with Thumbnail Creator. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm on the official website of Thumbnail Creator. Please make sure that you go to thumbnailcreator.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So in today's video, we are going to be focusing on the Discover utility, and I'm going to be focusing on the trending one right here. So what this means is if you actually go and you click on the trending Discover utility right here, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. So what this tool will actually do is it will scan YouTube's trending page to identify high performing thumbnails. It will literally go and it will pick out layouts that are working right now, as well as colors, fonts, and just specific styles. So you can actually go and you can trend jack them and you can steal the thumbnails and use them so they can actually work for you as well. So basically what this means is you will take a working thumbnail and you will combine it with your channel, and you will use the same style, the same layout, and the same font, so you can actually get more attraction for your channel. Okay guys, and in 2026 it's called trend jacking. This is a legitimate way of actually growing and scaling your business by going and stealing some of the most popular and stealing thumbnails that actually work and just applying your own business or your own channel into it. Guys, and another great feature is you can actually go and you can sort this trending thumbnails through categories. So we have film and action, autos, vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, and it's really important that you actually go and you specify which niche of the thumbnail you are looking for, because if you have a tech channel and you are going to put this on sports, you're not really going to get the same result that you want. So you really want to narrow it down and search for your specific niche to ensure that you get a better thumbnail. So once you've actually found a style that you love, you can literally go and you can use the style clone option. So how that actually works is it will take the thumbnail and it will remix it with your current aesthetic. So it's not actually copying the thumbnail, because it will remix your thumbnail with the trending style and it will actually just combine the two together instead of just copy and pasting. So it's not stealing someone's thumbnail, but it is remixing and reusing their style that we know already works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and sort into a category right here. So I'm going to look right here and I'm going to say education. So once we've done education, I'm going to choose this and I'm going to click the remix button, right? So now we can actually go and we can describe the style that we want. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to change this for an SMM Go video, which is some of the channels that I run. And then I'm going to say, replace all this, use some images, and replace the guy in the photo as well. So once I've done that, I will get back to you guys and show you how the result actually looks. Okay guys, so just an important part to remember: if you go to the brand, you select your option. So mine is SMM Go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say swap all of this with SMM Go style and colors, swap the person in the thumbnail to my face, and then change the two titles in the thumbnail as well to SMM Go and TikTok followers. Guys, so what I've done now is I've typed in, change this to the SMM Go colors, and change the person to Dion. Then make the words TikTok followers and not visits and disturbing. So we are going to apply the edit and I will give it a couple of seconds and I'll get back to you with the result. Okay guys, so now you can see the result. It still has kind of the same vibe, but it has unique content. So the background is different. We still have these pins to the image. So TikTok followers, like I asked it to, we still have this image, which we can change out as well. The background is changed and then the person is changed as well. So completely different thumbnail, but with the same vibe. And it literally takes seconds to do it. Okay guys, so you can actually go and you can generate 5 to 10 different variations based on the trend and prepare them for YouTube's A and B native testing tool. So that will actually help you to stay on top with the latest thumbnails, to actually go out and to test winning thumbnails. And that's because you have 5 to 10 different variations of a thumbnail to try, and they will actually be same but also different. So that will save you a lot of time by actually not having to go and to do it manually. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to say, just to show you an example, generate 5 different variations. And I'm going to apply the edit right now. So after it's done, I'm going to show you the 5 different variations that you can actually use for YouTube's A and B native testing tool that will save you loads of time. You guys, as you can see, it has literally been a few seconds and we have 5 different variations right here. So you can actually use the CTR predictor. So this is a score that the AI will actually use to tell you which thumbnail it thinks will perform the best. And this is done through million thumbnail training data. So literally millions and millions and millions of thumbnails have been uploaded to the AI to actually see which one will work and which one will get the higher click-through rate. So AI can actually go and use all of this data to predict which of these thumbnails will actually work the best. So that is another cool feature that I like about the thumbnail creator. Guys, and if I'm honest, this is actually a game changer because if we go to the trending utility right here, or the trending tool, you can actually stay up to date with live trend alerts, and then the AI will actually tell you breaking news and new viral moments. It will tell you the latest thumbnails. You can actually get notifications, and this will actually help you stay up to date with the latest thumbnails and the latest trends, so you won't miss anything because you'll get that alert, and that will just help you to stay ahead of 99% of YouTube channels out there. Don't guess what works, know what works. Use the discovery tool on Thumbnail Creator right now and join the future of content creation. The link will be down in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.